Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So welcome to our next lesson. Previous lesson we discussed about how to we discussed about like introduction about Power BI and also little bit backup knowledge of why we use Power BI and so on. Yeah. Also we discussed about how to prepare data. Yeah. We discussed also about how to change unit solds into whole numbers, how to change numbers into different categories, yeah, because our unit sold numbers, they were decimal. And also we discussed about how to change, for instance, the segments into uppercase, lowercase, and so on, yeah. And also we discussed about how to change columns if you want to just uh, make it like, for example, months. We just double click it and then we just remove the name and so on. Yeah. So basically we discuss about a very basic things, and also we discuss about in our data set how we can remove one kind of column. Sorry, in one kind of one how we can remove one column. So we removed up almost one product. Yeah. Today we will discuss about creating new measures and so on. Yeah. So first of all, our task is to create a measure. Okay. So what we're going to do is that we are going to write this measure to our Power BI. Okay. So first, what we have to do is that we have to go to the home and then we have to select new measure. Okay. So we're going to our Power BI. Then we are selecting a new measure. Okay, here, and then here we will write this new measure. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this one and then we got this one. So basically what we have got here is we got the total unit sold, which equals to sum of financials unit sold. Means we are going to give this formula, okay, this measure. So this is the this is our data set. Basically this is just a one column of our data set, unit sold, and so on. Then what we have to do is that we have to click this one, commit. Okay, what is the commit means? Commit means we give this formula to the Power BI. Means when we give it, it will be visible here as well. Okay, so here we will see the unit sold. Okay, then the next step is to do we have to create a table. Okay, so how are we going to create a table? Creating a table is not difficult. We're going to this one. Okay, we have to select table view, and then what we have to do is that we have to go to the then what we have to do is that we have to go to the new table. Okay, then in the new table we have to also do this formula. We have to give to this formula and commit. Okay, so new table, then with this one. So here we're going, then we are selecting table view. Then what we have to do is that we have to write a new table, and then in this new table we have to write our formula, then we have to commit. Okay, wow, you can see the table here, you see. So this is our table, basically. Means like this date, this time, the date and time and so on. Yeah, if you drag it like this one also, you can see like things are visible. Yeah, that is a very beautiful table. Okay, then what is our next step? Our next step is that when we do this one, we have to also do a so here 23 rows. Yeah, we can see a 23 rows here, like the first 23 rows. Okay, and yeah, and then but for us it's showing actually almost 730 something rows. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I think so. Yeah, 730 rows. Yeah, we have in our data set. Okay, then we have to do a model view. Then we have to go to this one. Then what we have to do is that we have to drag actually date field to the data field in the calendar. Okay, So we have to drag this date field from the financial table to data field in the calendar. So we will drag this one to this one, and we will have this one. And actually they are asking, yeah, okay. So then what we have to do is that cross filter detection, single, let's check the single first, and then save. And then this is our kind of table, okay. Sorry, what they call this, they call this a table, which is kind of to join the tables, okay. So we are joining the tables and creating a relationship between them. So here there is a relationship here. If we check also, yeah, we can also check it with more options. New measure, if we want, we can select a new measure. We can also enter a description, okay, and then yeah, so for us that is the task, okay. We can also drag it into anywhere we want. We can drag it to here as well, we can drag it to here, okay, we can drag it like that way, yeah, and then yeah, so that's it, okay. Okay, next thing is we have to create a report, okay. So we have to create a report view, and then see the field in data model you created. Let's build the final report on the visual at a time, okay. So here we have, like, we got executive. Actually we have to write here executive. Here let's rewrite executive, what do we have, executive summary finance report, okay. So basically we're supposed to write this one actually in the first, the executive, okay. So you can see here it's saying that you have to write the executive here, you see, and because in order to make visible to the manager as well, to the people as well, yeah, and yeah, okay. So let's rewrite the executive. So our title, it says, so we will just add a title, and the title name is Executive Summary Finance Report. Executive Summary Finance Report, okay. So we will write, we will remove this one. Let's remove this one, and then we have to go okay, we have to go to here, yeah, report view, and then insert. So insert text box, okay. So the text box will write as our title, okay. So we have to write executive finance report, yeah, executive finance report, finance report. And it's saying that here you have to make it like a font size to 20 and bold, okay. So let's make it this one 20 and bold, okay. So that is our executive summary. We forgot the summary. Executive summary finance report. Summary finance report, yeah? And then we just drag it like this way. Okay. Okay, and then what do we have to do? Now we have to resize the box fit on the line. So okay, we did also this one. We already did this one. Now we have to visual, yeah. We have to do the visual part, profit by dates, okay? Now, so you have to create a line chart to see which month and year I had the highest profit. From the date band, drag the profit to the field bank and area and so on, yeah? So what we need to do is that we have to select basically date, and then we have to select profit, okay? Then we have to select date and profit, and we have to select a we have to select, okay, so we have to go here. So we will select date and then profit. Um, and then we have to also select a uh, so here we have this here we will have a date and then a profit. Okay, let it be like this for now, and then we can change it afterwards. Yeah. Then okay. Then we have to also so we have to select the date from here. Yeah. Yes, and then we select this one. Okay, we already select this one, the date, and then we don't need product, we need profits. Yeah. We need also okay, and then okay, so we have to collect the okay, and then date hierarchy. Okay, and then okay, and yes, so we have it, this one, you see, sum of profit by year, and then 10 million and so on, sum of profit, and then yeah, so we're in the right place. So now what we have to do is we have to actually here we have date, year, yes, quarter, months, and day. Yeah, correct. Yeah, yeah. Excess we have these ones. Yeah, date, year, quarter, months, and day. Yeah, so we are in the right place. And then what do we have to do? This is basically right. Yeah, we already did this task. We select date and then profit.